GK quiz. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which country in the world has most islands? Sweden. Which is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara Desert.
Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Which year did the Titanic sink? (1912). What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Milky Way.
What is the process by which plants convert sunlight to energy? Photosynthesis. What is a group of stars called? Constellation. What is the process of conversion of water into vapor called? Vaporization. Lemons and oranges are rich in which vitamin? Vitamin C. What is the color of octopus blood? Blue. Which is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Which country has the largest tiger population in the world? India.
Which animal has a single horn? Rhinoceros. Which is the largest snake in the world? Green anaconda. Which sea separates Africa and Asia? The Red Sea. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which acid is present in curd? Lactic acid. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Ostrich. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Dove. How many legs do insects have? 6. Which bird can fly backwards? The hummingbird. Which country is the largest producers of bananas? India. Which fruit contains over 90% water? Watermelon. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Brazil. Insulin is secreted by which gland? Pancreas. Which is the largest forest in the world? Amazon rainforest. Which continent is 90% covered by ice? Antarctica. What is jaggery made from?